Good morning students. Now we are going to start mechanism of respiration. Mechanism of respiration. Respiration completes into two processes, inspiration and expiration. Inspiration means to inhale the air. It is also called inhalation. It is an active phase. Active phase means it requires energy. It takes place by using energy. So, inspiration means to breathe in or to inhale oxygen from the surrounding environment into the lungs. It is an active phase. What happens when we inspire? External intercostal muscles which are found between the two ribs. Between the two ribs, external intercostal muscles, here is the sternum. We see in the live class today how it happens. So, in the between of two ribs there is a cross muscles are found between two ribs. One are called external intercostal and another one is called internal intercostal. External and internal. So, external and internal intercostal muscles are found between the two adjacent ribs in the form of X-shaped structure cross to each other. External intercostal muscles contracts. What will happen? Rib cage. So, all the ribs by action of external intercostal muscle contraction, all the ribs with complete rib cage pull upward. Simultaneously, there is a diaphragm found below the thoracic cavity, which is dome shaped structure. Diaphragm. So, diaphragm is in normal condition, it is dome shaped structure. They are also connected with the muscles. Diaphragm muscles contract the diaphragm and resultant the dome shaped diaphragm becomes flat. Diaphragm muscle contracts and becomes flat and pull downward. So, this diaphragm pull downward. Resultant, what happened? Ribs inflate, diaphragm becomes flat. This much volume of cavity increase here and ribs get inflate. So, the volume of thoracic cavity increases. Thoracic cavity volume increase होता है तो what will happen with the pressure? Pressure will be decrease. If the volume of a space increases, automatically the pressure decreases. Here thoracic cavity decrease the pressure, here in thoracic cavity the pressure decrease and volume increase. Resultant, what happened with the external environment? External environment pressure becomes higher than the pressure of thoracic cavity. Resultant, air from the environment enter into nostril, through nasal cavity, pharynx, then trachea, bronchus, bronchiole, through alveolar duct into alveoli. So, air from external environment enter into the alveoli. How much time? Till the pressure becomes equal. Where? External environment and thoracic cavity pressure. It becomes equal. Till then, air from external environment start getting filled into the alveoli. Now, expiration. What is expiration? Expiration means to exhale air from the lungs to outer environment. Expiration is the passive phase. Passive phase means it do not require any energy. It is automatical action. If active phase takes place, inspiration takes place, Simultaneously, after few minutes, expiration takes place. So, expiration is the passive phase, but at the time of deep exercise or fast running, it becomes active. Expiration becomes active. This is the neat question. What happened to expiration? Here we see external intercostal muscle contract. Simultaneously, during the expiration, external intercostal muscles becomes relaxed or they came into their original position. Internal intercostal muscles contract. Here internal intercostal muscles relaxed. So, it pulled the rib cage downward. All the ribs which are inflated came to their original position in a downward position. Diaphragm muscles again relaxed. So, diaphragm muscles here in the inspiration we have seen that diaphragm muscles contracts. So, diaphragm becomes flat. Now, we see diaphragm muscles relaxed. Again diaphragm came into their original position in a dome shape. So, this much volume decreases, ribs came down, resultant diaphragm becomes dome shape, rib cage downward, resultant the volume of thoracic cavity decreases and the pressure of thoracic cavity increases in according with the external environment. So, due to increased pressure, air with the carbon dioxide getting out from alveoli to bronchioles through bronchi, trachea, pharynx, nasal cavity, nostril and then outer environment. So, here is the mechanism of respiration which is a